Hello everyone, my name is Nikola. This is my my channel on YouTube, mostly about Belgrade streets and people and life in Belgrade. This is a river Sava. I am on this side of river Sava, on the riverbank, of course. I wasn't here for maybe a year. Now I notice a lot of wild ducks and birds here. A lot of soil. Probably this will be taken away because I saw machines which are working on that project. Little bit snow. It's 23rd of January 2026. Now it's about 0 degrees of Celsius here in Belgrade. Maybe it's -1, I'm not sure. I have to move because it's cold if you stay in one place. I see swans here, yeah, here and 20-30 meters far away, yeah, swans, and a lot of ducks and yeah, these black things, I believe that is all ducks. If you are from the North America or Europe, leave a comment. I can make more videos on English language. This is a monument about soldiers from First World War. Here we have some tennis courts. They were, you know, Novak Djokovic was owner of these tennis courts for about 10 or 15 years. I think that now he isn't. I will try to make some video about Kalemegdan Fortress, but it's hard to see Kalemegdan Fortress from here. Only this one tower is possibly okay. This will be for this video everything. Thank you, good night.